Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the PictureThis application, meaning that you can unlock several features and functions on this application which are only available to premium users. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the more icon down below, which is the last option. And then all you have to do is clicking on the premium button at the top of the screen. Here you can see what you get with the purchasing or by purchasing the premium pack, so what it offers to you, such as identifying plants without limits, in-depth plant care guides, auto-diagnose plant issues, and so on. So if you are ready to purchase this offer or this premium, click on the continue button, and then you will be able to proceed with the payment, and you will get your premium pack, and you will be able to unlock many features on the application, such as the light meter, allergen identification, whether a particular plant is toxic to pets or not. You can also identify trees, insects, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.